Hello again, at the beach again today, going to collect some stones, hoping for some good luck today. It's a bit chilly, the sea's a bit rough. It is actually low tide, but I don't have a whole lot of space. Hopefully the rough sea has actually washed up some pretty neat stones today. Let's see how we go. Straight away. Wow. That's pretty neat. Nearly stood on this one. You know, I do often find that I'll go to the beach on one week and it'll look like a certain way, and then the next week it looks completely different. Sun has disappeared behind the clouds and I am now feeling that chill in the air. What's this? Nice. So smooth, so perfect. I'll leave this one here though because I get so many of these. I'll always appreciate them though. Very good. Wow. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna have to keep this one because look at those colours in there. Looks like an epidote mix, but I don't know. This is interesting though. Definitely getting a lot of variety today. It's going to be a good day. My pockets are getting full already. I haven't even walked that far. I can still see the entrance. To think I was actually going to go to a different beach today. I'm happy I went to a local one. There's a lot more space up here compared to there. The beach gets a lot narrower. Might try to get closer to the water. Nice. Yeah, that's got some good translucency. You know, this is what keeps me coming back to the beach because every time I come down here it's different. Like I'm always finding different shaped stones, or the scenery is forever changing too. It's just amazing. Like it's constantly shifting. There's always something new to be found. Some days might feel a little repetitive and then you go back the next week and it's like, wow, you know, forever amazing me. And another one. Oh, it's been such a good day. Such a good day. Talk about good luck. Wow. That's a cool pudding stone. Oh, I'm loving this. Everywhere I look, I see something today. Oh, Oh, see, this one would be perfect for a little pendant. Oh, yes. Love it. That's quite cool too. So much variety. Oh, I think that one might get me. That was close, but it was worth it for this deep red jasper. It's nice. That looks red and blue. That's fascinating. Wait, what is that? Oh my god, it's it looks like a tiny little ladybug. So itty bitty. Love that. Okay, big wave coming, but wow, the banding in that. Oh, it might not actually reach me. That's cool. Wait a minute, what's that? Oh wow. That's incredible. This might end up being one of those days where I just don't want to go. Oh, see, that's nice too. Can't keep everything though. My pocket's getting so full. What to do, what to do. Okay. Oh. That's cool. See the quartz veins through that like that. It's like a little square shaped. Not a full cube, but that's nice. It's been a little bit quieter now. That's cool too. Whoa. That colour is vibrant. I like that one. That's cool. I love how the colours just split down the middle. So many pretty rocks today. Now that is really cool. Oh, that's cool too. Oh wow. Now this is massive. Look, I've recently big hands, so well, I don't think I'll be able to flip this. No. Yes. Cool. So cool. Okay, so I'm going to start heading back now towards the exit. It's been a really good day so far. I may find some more pieces along the way back. That's cool. Wow. That's so awesome. So flat too. That. Oh my gosh. Ah. Okay, yep. I was about to get wet. Oh wow, this is so cool though. Okay, so I'm nearly back now, so I'm just going to find a little log to stack the stones on and have a closer look, because there have been some amazing ones today, so I'm super excited to have a close look at them. Okay, let's find them up. Oh my gosh. Thank you all for watching and coming along. It's been such a good day and I've found so many cool rocks. I'm not going to take them all home, but I'm going to choose my favourites. I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching.